sugar in my body, I feel excellent.
Ago. And we're off.
Let's see
Here's the beer.
Skills.
He kicks.
Whoa!
That's stating the rules. That should be disallowed, but he was born without arms. Oh. Let everything go, it seems.
No.
True. There's a kick. Easy save.
Oh, what options!
Fada with an easy. What is the ref doing? By the way, it's 2 additional minutes.
Oh.
Is that allowed? That's my question. What is black woman?
At their home ground, where late Gregorski scored a lot of goal scoring, and this is a goal. Could he equalize? Let's see.
That's the goal! Mudryk has scored there, but there's not much time left.
Best penalty I've ever seen!
What is the... Okay.
Oh! Yeah!
So...
It's a pretty cool match. We almost destroyed the club race.
a lot of shit. Whoa! First goal!
Pulling into the yes!
Oh my god, look at that.
Commentating.
Did your father tickle your ass or something? Or is he gonna come back?
He's gonna destroy.
Can happen here. Ooh, he's around.
Yeah.
That's a goal!
Yes.
Hot Palms was bringing on Bruno Fernandes the best choice from all sure.
Probably going to miss as well, you know.
Oh, that's a save! He goes.
Oh,
that's an own goal! That's the goofiest own goal I've ever seen. He saves it perfectly. And then he just doesn't do anything.
That's. Look at that. What?
You're tracking back your statements, huh? Oh, Mudryk should win the Ballon d'Or and Player of the Season.
Go!
It was not.
Go!
From my ball. Whoa!
Oh! No, man.
Okay, Strito. Slip!
Oh,
my god!
Chelsæ is back! You.
The guy who think he will win the league. I'm saved his ass and then it's.
Yeah!
That bald guy.
I don't know what the hell.
I got. Is that a seal?
What the hell? What? Look at that goal from Chelsæ! Holy shit, that's
Whoa.
a great.
Goes here, Hot Palms, dribbles around, that's a goal! To get in.
Oh, he's off the wall. Mudryk.
That's a goal! Around everything and everybody. Beautiful opening.
The penalty.
And he scored. Enough is here. What did the ref do?
Double Strix takes it. Well, we have seen referees score a lot of goals. 3 goals on 2 matches, and now 7 in 1. Could do something. gets an early lead. As you see here, Wine Junior showing strength. He loses the ball. Hall Palms come here. He's sleeping. He loses the ball in a dangerous area. Be very defensive. But that's a crack. Good defensive actions from Wine Junior, but there always is a crack in Hall Palms. He gets around. Wine Junior gives it away. That's a goal! He needs 2 more goals, but I think the match is over.
Sugar in my body, I feel excellent.